Hello lovelies, welcome to the JEENINSPIRES channel. Today she claims she's coming to prepare a local dish in Mpotompoto. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. As she's starting, let's see how she does it. Wedding. Kokwabre, onions, garlic and pepper, which is meko JEEN garlic, and Groundnut paste and katia yam, and what's this? Red oil, right? Zomi. I think that's the name, Zomi. Let's see how she does it. Okay, she's got a pot of water with, I think, salt already mixed. Cover the lid. Let's see. Oh, okay. Kokone krano no. Wow, will be trying to sakrama. Yeah, she's peeling it. Hey, kokoi den ko ni panko beso. Oh. Well, that's cool though. Okay. And kokone we shane no. Yeah, I think that's how she's going to do with all of them. Obe shane kokone na. And I will be Jack, which is which. Okay, lovelies, let's take it as such. Whether she peels it to so shani, that's the answer. Kokone honono, a French. So this is the second one. Let's see. What's she doing? What's she doing again? Okay, yeah. Okay, then she sliced them into 4 equals. Oh, okay. Now she's placed it into the pot of water. What next? Then you add the pepper or the mekoni beka home. Cover the lid. Hey! Na saying you need to jansuni na no on soy. Wash it. Some lady way pan down where the name and been some soya. Okay, so now you leave the pot on fire. Then you come to the onion and garlic, JEEN garlic and all, and the Groundnut paste and the zomi. Hey, it's here in a cocoa bean. Oh, okay. Yeah, we all know this. Everything well bo and eta. Yeah, the chino. No kind of broth. I can't say. I saw seriously. Then you open the pot and remove the pepper. I think green pepper will do. Red pepper, yeah. So one for red pepper. Yes, yeah. The green pepper, bending. Okay. And I will cheat. My main kind of broth now, she's grinding it. Yeah, so you grind them till they are mixed perfectly and I think smoothly. Sometimes too, you can leave some of the onions in it so that it will give the food a certain texture, or sometimes let's say to nourish it. Yeah, what cherry? Hey, maybe a wow. Groundnut paste no they come home. Okay. Into ya pen kate bebre no. You bet me den kate bebre so aye. So no menya sure say bia o pe groundnut bebre into na on self act to e bi. Na watchia fra pepper ne garlic ne onion na. What they can high grind no. Okay. So you grind it, or let's say you mix it until you get an even texture or something there. Now the boiled, how do I call it, plantain and as a cocoa. I can't no put afra. Oh, okay. No put time and afi. Until put time and afi. Yeah, I know what to tell you. The plate that you are ready to serve in it. No, now if you are far, we'll zoom in. No, but please don't forget to heat it all. And the area back. Into no ya no heat you oil no, which is a palm nut oil. Then oh wow, it looks gorgeous. Wow, my mouth is even watering. I can't wait to taste it. Wait here though. Lady no friend who JEEN no. And then the one why the NFFS sound. Yay, ready is. I'm from a hill. Benefe. No corner minya video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Welcome to JEENINSPIRES again.